Hello everyone, my name is Drona. Today I come up with an innovative ideas to win the war against coronavirus enemy COVID-19 pandemic in just 30 days. Stay with me till the end. First of all, I am trying to review the guidelines recommended by the WHO and CDC, and I will review the action taken by the United States, China and India against coronavirus prevention. After this, I will analyze why these existing preventive guidelines are not functioning well to control the virus cases. At the end, I will of course put my opinion for 30 days COVID-19 eradication plan. Stay with me till the end. As we all know, a coronavirus is a new virus that has not been previously identified. On February 11, 2020, the World Health Organization announced an official name for the disease outbreak, first identified in Wuhan, China. Patients with COVID-19 have had mild to severe respiratory illness with symptoms of fever, cough, shortness of breath, muscle pain, and tiredness. Let's review the WHO guidelines. To reduce the risk of coronavirus infection, WHO recommends clean hands with soap and water, cover nose and mouth when coughing, avoid close contact with anyone with sick, thoroughly cook meat and egg, avoid unprotected contact with animals. In addition to this, WHO is providing awareness in different ways from different medias. There are some controversy arising about the WHO leadership to control the pandemic. For example, President Trump blamed to the WHO becoming China-centric. But the Director General Tedros requested to quarantine the politics to control the virus. He mainly requested to the United States and China to tackle against deadly COVID-19 pandemic. CDC guidelines are also similar to the WHO guidelines. CDC say avoid close contact with people who are sick, avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth, practice social distancing, wash hands with soap and water at least 20 seconds, and so on. Initially, CDC did not recommend to wear face masks. Later on, CDC updated its guideline to wear face masks when we go out to the public places. United States presidency guidelines are also pretty much similar to the WHO and CDC guidelines. In general, the president's 30 days slow spread guidelines focuses on social distance, the big social distance, like social distance from sick, social distance from school, advice to take care of elderly person and person with serious underlying health condition, but still it has not recommended wearing masks, which is really needed. In my opinion, any country's executive positions have decisive role to address the pandemic like COVID-19. As far as lockdown, I can agree that the United States never had experience of complete lockdown, and due to the state-owned rule, it could be difficult to complete lockdown like some other countries. But we can observe that more than 70% of market activities have been locked. But it might be the simple but blunder mistake by the President Trump to avoid using face masks. I will explain later how does compulsory face masks can tremendously reduce the spread of virus in the coming slide. However, in politically, the one good message to the world is even in this difficult time, the United States is practicing highly democratic exercise through everyday press briefing with president, expert, and with the media. This shows highly accountable with people. Just opposite of the President Trump, China's President Xi Jinping declared complete lockdown in the country's affected areas. He himself used face masks, we can see in the picture here, and encouraged every Chinese people to use the compulsory face masks. Additionally, as soon as the outbreak identified in Wuhan, China, they aggressively traced testing treatment against the virus in many ways. In the war against COVID-19, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership seems to be very excellent and farsighted. He declared complete lockdown the whole nation for 21 days before the outbreak occurred in India. I think he has learned from China, Italy's and United States terrible situation. He also trying engage people in religious or spiritual activities at home. Let's observe the curfew in India. People are not allowed to come out of their house. Police were beating the people who avoid the government lockdown. Lockdown was continued more than 31 days. Now I would like to ask a question. Do you think all these guidelines and different advice and activities given by the nation's leadership help to stop the virus? The answer is not, or not completely. The virus infected rate was increasing, death rate is increasing, and the nation's economy is collapsing. Experts are telling it is going to be more than the Great Depression in 1929. For example, you can review the AP curve that you can see the increasing rate. As case is increasing, the death rate is also increasing accordingly. You can observe the graph here. In order to control the COVID-19 pandemic, I have proposed 3 simple COVID-19 eradication plan in just 30 days through the prevention, treatment and isolation PTI method. I'm gonna explain one by one in coming slides. In the prevention,
isolation, health organizations and other nations have to prioritize the guidelines. Along with all guidelines, the face masks has to be mandatory by law to every people, which is economically cheaper and possible too. Maintaining social distance and increasing testing and tracing effectively has to be the second prioritize. Maintaining 6 feet distance and lockdown, isolation and social distance and trace testing treatment is very important. But the most important is everybody has to wear face masks. No matter wherever we go, everybody has to maintain social distance and wear compulsory face masks, which should be mandatory by law. In the most populated city like New York, it might be difficult to maintain social distance, but using face masks is absolutely possible. As an example, if both person wear masks, there will be two-step bar to cross virus from infected person to healthy person. As infected person, droplets can prevent by his mask, and in case release the droplets, the healthy person's mask block the droplets. As we don't have the vaccine available in the market, for now take plasma from COVID-19 recovered patients to treat critical patients. By this method, China has already experimented that 7 out of 10 people are successfully treated by the antibody plasma from recovered patients. This method was done in SARS, MERS and flu pandemic as well. So the government can give some incentive for the person who donated plasma to treat the critical patients. For now, I think we should apply all possible treatment measures to reduce the death rate before introducing virus or other treatment options. We can see in the picture recovered patients are donating their antibody plasma to treat the critical patients. In isolation, I am trying to say you are the healthy person except everyone. So try your best to be isolated as much as possible from friends and from strangers to break the chain of transmission or circulation. Assume everyone is infected with the virus except me. That's all. There are 4 stages of COVID-19, stage 1, 2, 3, 4. Nepal and India is right now in the stage 2 or is close to stage 3, and the United States, China, Italy and Spain already stage 4. And we can stop or prevent any stage in just 30 days if an infected person blocks or circulates the virus to a healthy person. In my opinion, we can speedily reduce or control the virus within just 30 days because of 14 days is the incubation period and another 14 days is for either recovered or death period. Generally, there are always some outliers. So assume that from today, if the virus ending from the infected person without transmitting to another either by recovered himself or death, the virus will be eradicated from the world in just 30 days. I mean, I cannot say eradicate. Virus can be controlled within just 30 days. Thank you. This is my conclusion. So everyone, let's control the virus. Let's stop transmitting from one person to another from today. So everyone, let's follow the PTI method, prevention, treatment and isolation. And I am expecting your feedback. Let's eradicate COVID-19 pandemic together. For your review, reference link. Thank you.